Greetings, fellow grade 10s. It is still Mr. Hlajoy here. Welcome to Back to Basics, right? Now, what is it that we are doing today? Basically, we are looking at our algebraic expression, and then we are looking at this is our June question paper. The year it's 2024, and I think this is going to be from the Free State province, right? This is from the Free State province. All right, again. Now, let's see in terms of what is it that we were given in here to solve, right? Now, firstly, I want you to look at this. Now, from here, you are having what? Here, this is 2 x subtract 3. This is same as 4 into 4x squared plus 6x plus 9, right? Now, I want you to look at this and look at this carefully, right? Now, this is, we only get this when we have our different of what? When we have our different of two cubes, right? And how do you identify that? How do you find out which cube number were multiplied, right? So now from here, what is that you're going to do? For an example, if you take this and you multiply it with this, what is it that you're going to get here? Now, this is going to be same as your 2, or rather, this is going to be same as 2 multiplied by 4. This is 4, same as 4x cubed. And then now, again, now to get what is that you are getting last, this is going to be 3 multiplied by 9. And what is going to be 3 multiplied by 9? This is going to be 27, which means this is going to be same as minus 27 altogether. So basically now that's what we do. Remember, why am I saying that? Remember, if you are having the formula of a cubed subtract b cubed, right? When we want to simplify, this is same as a subtract b, and then this is going to be same as a squared plus a squared b, right? Right? So this is same as AB. Then this is going to be same as what? This is going to be same as B squared. And if I am looking at this particular expression, it is expressed in this format. Out here. So that's why then I am in a position to identify that this is indeed my difference of two cubes, right? Now let me look at your 2.1.2, right? Now here, so here we are given that you are having this is same as x over 2. This is minus y over 3, right? This is y over 3. This is same as x over 2. And then this is going to be plus y over 3. Are we together? Now, what is this going to be now? Look at this. This is minus and plus, and this is x over 2. This is x over 2. This is y over 3. This is y over 3, right? So, which means this is going to be my difference of two squares, right? So, what is that I can do now from here? Which means this is actually same as x over 2 squared subtract this is same as what? This is same as y over 3 squared. Are we together? And now what is this? Which means this is actually same as x squared divide by 4 minus this is same as y squared divide by what? Divide by 9. Are we together? So basically now that's what we are having whenever we are looking at what? Whenever we are looking at your difference of two squares, right? This is going to be a difference of two squares. Now, let's look at your 2 point, right? Let's look at our 2.2.1. Now, what is it that you are going to do now when solving that one, right? So look at this. This is 2a squared into bracket, right? Oh, let's start with this one. So this is same as x, right? This is same as your x squared subtract x. This is subtract 20, right? Now, remember here, this is what? This is a trinomial, right? Okay. Or this is your quadratic expression, right? Now, what is the best thing that you're going to do now from here? Obviously, you are going to find firstly what are going to be the factors of the first term. Now, what are the factors of the first term? This is going to be same as x, and this is going to be same as x, right? Now, we are going to then now look at the factors of the last term that either when you add or subtract, they are going to give you -1, right? So for an example, we have 1 and 20, we have 2 and 10, we have also 5 and 4, right? So can you see that when you add or minus here, right, there is no way that you can either get what +1 or -1, right? But now in this case, right, can you see that if you say -5 plus 4, can you see that the answer that you can get here, this is same as -1, right? Once again, so which means here you can use now your 5 and also your 4, right? And also you're going to take the sign that they are here. This is same as -5. This is same as what? +4. Altogether. So now this is how you are going to go about whenever you are what? Whenever you are factorizing, right? Now let's look at now our 2.2.2.2, right? This is 2.2.2. Yes. Right now, here you are having how many marks? This is 4 marks. I want us to check what is that you can do from here. Now, look, this is given by 2. This is 2a squared into bracket. This is same as a subtract b. This is going to be plus. What is this? This is going to be same as 8b squared. This is same as b subtract a. Now, the first thing that I want us to do here, I want us to what? To ensure that here you are having the same bracket here so that you can take out a common factor, right? So now how can you change b subtract a so that it is same as a subtract b? Now what is that you're going to do here? This is same as 2a squared into bracket a subtract b, right? Now this is going to be what now? I can swap this, but for me to swap this, I need to take out a negative sign, right? So which means this, when I take out the negative sign, this is going to be same as what? Plus, let's see, this is same as what? This is going to be same as my, for an example, this is going to be same as -8 ab squared. This is going to be into brackets. Now this is same as a subtract what? This is same as a subtract b. Why am I saying that? Because when I multiply the a here with the negative, I get my negative a. When I multiply the negative here and my negative b, can you see that I'm getting my positive b squared, my b here, right? So which means this is same as 2a squared into a subtract b minus this is going to be same as 8 b squared into bracket. This is same as a subtract b. Okay, now that you can see that between these two terms, right? Now between these two terms, you can see that here you are having common facts, right? So you can take out a subtract b as a common factor. And then what is that I'm going to be left with here? So this is same as 2a squared subtract what? This is 2a squared subtract. Now this is going to be same as 8, right? This is same as 8b squared. Out again, right? This is same as subtract 8b squared. Now, what is it then that you can do now from here? I want you to look at this. Can you see that here I have a common factor of 2 between the 2 and also the 8, right? So which means this is same as a subtract b, right? This is same as multiply by, for an example, I can take out my 2 as a common factor here. Then I'm going to be left with my a squared subtract 4b squared. All together. Now, this is same as 2 into a subtract b. And then this is going to be same as what? Now, a squared subtract 4b squared. Can you see that a squared is a what? This is going to be my difference of two squares, which means this is same as my a subtract my 2b, and then this is going to be same as my a plus my what? Plus my 2b, which is going to what? Which is going to be the answer that I'm having in here. Out again. So basically, this is how I am going to get the entire 4 marks in here. Out again. So I am hoping that this one makes sense. Now let's continue, right? Now from here, what else then now are you having? This is same as 3 multiplied by, this is same as 2 to the power of m. This is minus 4, right? This is multiplied by 2 to the power of m subtract 2. Now, what is it that you are going to do now from here? Now from here, let's see, look at me. I didn't write what is divided this with, right? So let me just make up my space here so that I can do that, right? Now, this is same as divide by, right? So this is divided, right? So when you divide this we are dividing with, right? This is divided by, this is 2m subtract 2 to the power of m subtract 1. Now, what is that I can do now from here? I will start with this one that is not written in what? In my prime factor form, right? So which means here this is same as 3 multiplied by 2 to the power of m subtract, this is going to be same as 2 squared multiplied by, this is same as 2 to the power of m multiplied by 2 to the power of -2, right? So what I did here, I just also expanded the 2m and also 2 to the power of negative 2, right? And then now what else then now I'm going to have here? This is same as 2 to the power of m. This is subtract 2 to the power of m multiplied by 2 to the power of negative 1. How to get? And now what is it that I'm going to do now from here? Now I am going to take out my common factor in my numerator and also my denominator, right? I want you to look at this. Can you see that here? 2 to the power of m is a common factor here and also here, right? And also, if you can check even here, this 2 to the power of m is a common factor in this, right? So which means if I take out my 2 to the power of m in the numerator, what else I'm going to be left with, right? So in this one, I'm left with 3 right here. This is the 3. And then now from here, I am left with minus what is 2 squared? This is same as 4 multiplied by 1 over 4, right? Because here it's 2 to the power of negative 2, right? And this is same as that. And then now from here, what is that I'm going to have here? I can also take 2 to the power of m as a common factor. I'm left with 1, subtract 1 over 2. Are we all fine, right? Yes. Then now that we are there, now 2 to the power of m, 2 to the power of m, they are going to cancel each other, right? Now, what is it then that you're having here? Can you see that this is same as 3 subtract what is 4? This is 4 multiplied by 1 over 4, right? 4 multiplied by 1 over 4, this is same as 1, which means this is subtract 1. And then now here, you are having 1 subtract half, right? So what is 1? What is 1 subtract half? Remember now we are having 2 halves in 1, isn't it? Right? So which means this is same as also 1 over 2. Over to get. So what does this mean? This is same as actually 2 divide by what? This is 2 divide by half, right? Over to get. So now this is same as 2 divide by 1 over 2. What is 2 divided by 1 over 2? This gives us our 4 altogether. So which means now the answer that you are going to have here, this is going to be same as 4. Altogether. So I am hoping that, all of this makes sense and you are in a position to write all these questions whenever you are given, right? Thank you very much for listening.